Hi everyone, welcome to Math Hands-On with Python class, and today I'm going to present you how you are going to import data into Python. That is our first theme, and secondly we are going to see how you can view the data in Python, and lastly view the shape of your data. You are welcome, and we are going to start by opening our Python using spyder IDE. So let's start. Okay, this is Anaconda spyder IDE. So let's clear these things. Then before starting importing our data, we have to save our files. This is a title. But how are we going to save the file? I have opened the directory here, the file which I labeled it as Python, and inside this directory I have my data, which is death data. Basically the editor file should be saved into the file where your data have been deposited. So I have the directory file at the desktop, so we go back and save this file, the editor file, to desktop, Python, and then I label the file as data. So save it. So after saving, now let's start importing our data. So the file of the data that is in my directory is Excel files, which is in a CSV file format, or you can save in either way, but the panda library which we are going to use in importing the data can read all types of Excel files. So for my side, I'll be using the CSV file format to read or to import it into Python. So to import the data, we use the pandas library. So we import pandas library. Pandas is PD, that is the short end of panda that we are going to use when we will be importing our data. Then name the file in Python. So let's use the short end, which is the data frame df is equal to PD, which is pandas, PD dot read. So panda will give you the options according to the format of your file that you set. So we have the CSV file, we choose it, press enter, and then we open brackets. Then we have this command here. Then we name we write inside the name of the file, which is death data, if you remember, death data. And the death data are in the format of CSV. So you give the name of your data dot the file format. So you put that, then press enter. So that you will be done already importing the data, and you can see onto your right hand side here you have your data frame with 500 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so this is the data that you have imported. So to print and view the data, we use the command print, then open brackets, you give the name of your file which you have named into Python, which is df.head function. The head function normally reads the first 5 rows of data and the title or head of the title of the table in your data. So if you command that, you by running it, you are going to see them. So these are our data which we imported, and to cross-check this one if they are correct, then you can go back to your directory. I want to show the directory is here, and this is the Excel file that we need to check if it's fine. So this is the data that we imported. You can see we have birth weight, raw birth weight, gestation week, preterm, mother's age, hypertension, sex alpha. So you can go back and you can see the same variables. That's Python can read just a few lines from your data, but you can command it into the head function. So for instance, if you need more rows, for that you can just write in, let's say you want to see 20 rows into head function, and then if you run it, you can see 20 more rows of your data. You can read them. So this is how you can import and read the data. And now you can view here. So also, sometimes you don't need all the data, just a few columns of the data. So to do that, you can create a new file. Please, I'm going to comment this not to appear when we are going to create a new data file with few number of variables. That is df new is equal to data frame. We have this squared brackets because we are going to chop something inside the original df file, data frame files, so you have to include another square brackets. Then let's write the variables that we are interested. So let's go here back. If we have, let's say we just need to see or to create a data frame with this, let's say birth weight, low birth weight, just okay, birth weight and gestation week, sorry. So if we want to see the birth weight and the gestation weeks, we can call them here. So we are going to have birth weight, and then comma, the other variables is gestation weeks. So we have gest weeks, yes, and then close that. So if we command the print function for df new data files with just the 2 columns, so if we print that, df dot head, you can see those few columns. So these are 2 columns that we imported, birth weight and gestation weeks. You can see them here. This is birth weight as this one, and this is gestation weeks as that one. So this is how you can import and view data in Python. Okay, the final thing which we are required to discuss is how you can view the shape of your data. That means the number of rows and columns contained in your data frame. So to do that, just write print and name file dot shape and then run. If you run, you'll see you have 500 rows and 9 columns. The same number of size of your data frame that Python have provided once you imported the data, that have read 500 rows and 9 columns. Thank you for today's tutorial. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share, and leave comments. Thank you.